Welcome to Story H.K. Here, learning English isn't just about lessons. It's an exciting adventure that will make you speak fluently. Why English? Because it's your key to travel, work, and connecting with the world. But don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way. At Story H.K., we use real-life situations to help you learn naturally. No boring grammar drills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, we've got lessons for everyone. We'll start with the basics and move to advanced conversations until you become fluent. If you're ready to start your English learning journey, hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss a lesson. Join us now and learn English the fun and easy way with Story H.K. Story H.K. Learn English fluently.